Right now, everybody online is chasing the flashiest AI thing they can find. Crazy chatbots, wild automations, stuff that sounds like it came out of a sci-fi movie, and most of it makes them $0. Me, I do the boring stuff. So boring that nobody talks about it, but it brings in over $350,000 a month. And today, I'm going to show you 3 boring AI services you can build one time, then sell to client after client every single month. And I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type so you can copy this step by step. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we did over $350,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick so you can see this is real. And there it is. I show you this every video because if someone on YouTube won't show you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. Now, here's the best part about these 3 services. You build each one a single time inside High Level, then you sell that same setup to every client you land. They pay you every month, and you barely touch it once it's running. That's why I call it build once, sell forever. For this video, I'll use a med spa as the example, but this works for any local business. So let me walk you through all 3. Chapter 1. AI-powered social media management. This is our core offer, and it's the easiest one to sell because every small business knows they should be posting. Most of them just don't. Their Instagram is dead. Their Facebook looks abandoned. They're too busy running the business to make content. That right there is the gap you fill. And you can see this for yourself right now. Go to Google, search for any local business in your city, then go look at their social media. I'll bet 7 out of 10 haven't posted in months, maybe years. These owners are great at what they do. They're just invisible online. That's your opening. And AI just made filling that gap 10 times easier. Let me show you the exact steps. And if you want to follow along, then click the first link in the description. First, the content. In High Level, look at the menu on the left. Click Ask AI. Then you tell it what kind of business you have and ask it to plan a month of posts. It'll come back with post ideas, captions, and even the best days and times to post. Then you tell it to design the posts. So I typed in this next prompt. I told it to act as an elite graphic designer and build the first carousel using the brand colors and fonts. Pause the video if you want to read the whole thing. And here's the trick that makes them look premium. You give it the brand colors and fonts, or you paste in a photo to copy the style from. And just like that, it builds a full carousel. That one's called 7 Habits That Age Your Skin Faster Than You Think. 9 slides. Made in a couple minutes, no designer, no Photoshop, no stock photos. And here's the best part. You don't even leave Ask AI to schedule them. In that same chat, you just say, pick the best time and schedule these posts on Instagram. It checks the client's connected account. It figures out the best days and times for that audience. Then it shows you the plan to approve before anything goes live. You say yes, and it drops them all on the calendar for you. The whole month, scheduled from one chat. And if you want to see proof, just pop over to the social planner. On the left, click marketing, then social planner. And there they all are. Every post lined up and scheduled, ready to go. Then you forget about it. The posts keep going out while you sleep. Now here's where most people stop. They post and they hope. We don't do that. We turn that attention into actual leads. And it starts with one simple automation. When someone comments on a post, High Level slides into their DMs for you automatically. Here's how you build it. On the left menu, click automation, then workflows. Then click the build using AI button in the top right. A box pops up that says, what do you want to automate? Then I typed in this prompt. I told it to build an Instagram comment to DM automation that moves people into the DMs and gets them to book a consultation. Pause the video if you want to read every line, and it builds the whole thing for you. It auto replies to the comment. It sends a DM with a quick reply menu. It waits for them to answer. Then it sends them down the right path. You didn't build a single step by hand. You just hit publish. But you've got to give people a reason to reply. So we hand them something free, a lead magnet. For a med spa, that's a free skin assessment quiz, and we build it in AI Studio. On the left menu, click AI Studio. Open the project. Then I typed in this prompt. I told it to set up a free skin assessment quiz that grabs their name, email, and skin concerns. Pause here if you want to read the full prompt. Once I hit publish, it builds the quiz, connects the form to the CRM, and saves every answer. Skin type, concerns, and goals. So now the posts don't just collect likes, they collect real leads, names, emails, people you can actually follow up with and turn into customers. And every month, the client wants to know it's working. So we send them automatic reports. You don't build a single chart. On the left, click marketing, then social planner, then the statistics tab. High Level pulls all the numbers and shows them what's working. The client opens it, sees the growth, and feels great about paying you. And here's the last piece. When a post is doing well on its own, we put a little ad money behind it to push it to even more people. On the left, click marketing, then ad manager. You pick the post, pick the platform, set a small budget, and launch. Just a couple clicks. Now a post that was already winning reaches thousands more of the right people. That's how you turn one good post into a flood of new eyeballs. So look at what you just built for this business. You're making their content, you're posting it, you're catching every lead that comes in, you're showing them the results, and you're boosting the best stuff. All from one software that handles almost everything. That's the value of High Level. And there's a bonus most people don't even think about. When a business posts consistently, they start showing up in search too, on Google. Even inside AI tools like ChatGPT when people ask for a recommendation. So you're not just making them look alive on Instagram, you're helping them get found everywhere. For all of that, I charge a flat $500 a month or a flat $1,000 a month if I am including custom posts or AI videos. And here's the part that makes it scalable. The whole thing is handled through email and support tickets. No calls, no weekly meetings. Once it's set up, it takes me maybe 30 to 45 minutes per client each month. So you can take on a stack of clients and still have a life. And here's the thing, you don't even have to tell the client AI made any of it. They don't care how it's made. They care that they finally look good online and their phone is ringing. That's it. You sell the result, not the tool. Now, you might be wondering how you keep these clients paying month after month. Here's why they stay. Once their content is going out and the leads are coming in, they can't go back to silence. Their friends start messaging them about the posts. They feel like a local celebrity and they're getting real customers from it. Turning that off feels like turning off their phone. So they just keep paying. By the way, High Level is the platform doing all of this. It's what we use to run our entire agency and all of our clients. If you want to try it for yourself, use my link in the description below. And when you sign up with my link, you also get my full AI business blueprint course for free. Chapter 2, AI-powered website design. A ton of small businesses still have no website at all, or they've got one that looks like it's from 2010, and they hate dealing with web designers. The whole thing feels slow and expensive to them. So this one is an easy yes. Here's how fast this works now. On the left menu, click AI Studio, then start a new project. You'll see a box that says, let's build. Then I typed in this prompt. I told it to act as a conversion-focused web designer and build a high-converting med spa site that books consultations. Pause the video if you want to read the whole thing. Once I hit generate, then I get a full clean website for a med spa, built from one prompt. A home page, services, a skin assessment, an about section, and a book now button. You're not coding anything. You're not dragging boxes around for hours. You describe the business and it does the work. When it looks good, you hit publish. But a pretty website on its own isn't enough. It needs to bring in customers. So we add a chat widget that talks to visitors for them, and it can do both text and voice. On the left menu, click sites, then chat widget, then create a new one. Inside, you've got tabs at the top, style, chat window, messaging, and agent. You set how it looks. Then you click the agent tab and pick a voice AI agent to answer calls. You give it a name and a quick description. The widget gives visitors options like chat by text, chat by voice, or message on Facebook and Instagram. So when someone lands on the site, they get answers right away, day or night, even at 2 in the morning when the owner is fast asleep. The visitor never hits a dead end. When you're done, you hit save and grab the code to drop on the site. And when that visitor is ready, the widget books them. We hook up the calendar and appointment automation so it all happens by itself. You go back to automation, then workflows, then build using AI. Then I typed in this prompt. I told it to build a workflow that confirms the booking, sends reminders, and rebooks anyone who misses. Pause here if you want to read it all. It builds the whole thing. A confirmation text and email the second they book. A reminder 24 hours before and 2 hours before so they don't no-show. A thank you after the visit. And if they miss it, an automatic message to rebook. So the website doesn't just sit there looking nice. It answers questions and books real appointments on its own. The owner just wakes up to a fuller calendar. That's the pitch right there. You're not saying, I'll build you a website. You're saying, I'll build you a website that books you appointments while you sleep. That sells so much better. Because now it's not a cost. It's a machine that brings them money. For this one, I charge a flat $500 a month. You build it a single time, but the chat widget and the booking system keep working every month after that. That's why it's a monthly service, not a one-time fee. The value never stops, so the payment never stops. Chapter 3. AI-powered reputation management. This might be the most boring one yet, and it might be the most valuable because reviews are everything for a local business. More 5-star reviews means you rank higher on Google. Higher on Google means more customers walking in the door. It all connects. So step 1, we get them more 5-star reviews on autopilot. You already know where to go. Automation, then workflows, then build using AI, and you describe a review system. Here's the smart part, it builds. After every appointment, it texts the customer and asks how it went. Then it splits them by their rating. Happy customers get sent straight to Google to leave a review. Anyone unhappy gets sent to a private form and routed to your team instead. So the bad reviews never go public. The client just keeps stacking up 5-star reviews without lifting a finger. Step 2, somebody has to respond to those reviews. Most businesses never do. It just sits there. So we let Reviews AI handle all of it. On the left menu, click Reputation. Then open the Reviews tab. It writes a reply to every review and sends it out. The business looks active, it looks professional, and the owner does absolutely nothing. The whole thing runs in the background. On top of that, there's a feature right there called GBP Optimization. That's their Google Business Profile page. What you do is clean it up so they show up more in their area. And once they trust you with all of this, you can upsell them on SEO. That part is more custom and more hands-on, but it's also where the bigger money is. So it's a great door to walk through later. For reputation management, I charge a flat $300 a month. It runs on its own once it's built, and no business is ever going to turn off a system that keeps feeding them 5-star reviews. Now here's why I love these three so much. They're not flashy. They're boring, but boring is the whole point. Boring is what keeps the money coming in. You build each system one time inside High Level. Then you sell that same thing again and again to new clients. And the best part is you can stack them. Sell one business, all three, and now that's a single client paying you every month for their content, their website, and their reviews. It doesn't take many clients like that to cross $10,000 a month in recurring revenue. And because everything runs through email and support tickets, you can keep adding clients without drowning in calls and meetings. That's the difference between a job and a real business. A flashy service stops the second you stop working. These boring systems keep running and keep paying you, whether you're there or not. Now, coming up next, I've got a brand new Go High Level tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.